Hello, my name is Gene Wolfe with the SeisSpace Support Group. In this video, I will show you how to submit a SeisSpace parallel job to a group of local machines. Let's say in your office or in your area, there are a number of machines that are not necessarily being used, and you want to be able to use those machines to help you parallelize a job to get it done faster. In this example, I have a machine called X1 where the SeisSpace user face runs, but I have some additional machines called BO1, BO2, and BO3 I would like to run a parallel job on. Some of the system and network requirements in order to run a parallel job on local machines is that on the local machines, all data, apps, home need to be mounted the same across all the workstations. All must have the same named scratch, like SCR. The users must have passwordless SSH across all machines. And it's best if the host names follow some type of regular pattern. Let's take a look at an example parallel flow and set it up to be able to run on the machines that we have out there, which is the BO1, BO2, BO3. So in this example, I have this flow, I have synthetic trace generation, and I'm going to disk data output. If we open up the synthetic trace generation, we can see that I'm outputting synthetic CDPs, or in this case, inlines and crosslines. I'm going to block by volume, meaning that the first local machine will get volumes 1 and 2, the second local machine will get volumes 3 and 4, and the third local machine will get volumes 5 and 6. And then I'm going to go out to a Java-sized data set. So normally when you submit this job, you'd come up to the Job Submit window, and you would select Host. In this case, I don't have any hosts listed in order to choose from. So let's go add those into our list. So I'll cancel out of here. We'll go up to Edit, Administration, and if you're administrator, you should log in as administrator. And then come up to Administration and say Define Hosts. And you notice we don't have any here. So the host numbers have to have some number in them, because if I try to do like B and B for no whole host B, it don't work. But if I make host B01 to B01, that works fine. And then I'll go B02 to B03. These are just examples. So these are the 3 hosts I'm going to run the job on. I'm going to save and close out of there. We'll go back up into our job submit window here and hit refresh button. And now we can see we have 3 additional hosts out there. So I'll go ahead and select those hosts and run 1 exec per node on those 3 hosts for this parallel job. We can see the job is submitted here. And it's running. So we take a look at the job monitor. We can see that there are some traces going out to BO1, BO2, and BO3. And here's the cumulative number of traces that are going out there. And if we take a look at the final job summary, we can see how many traces went to each of the nodes. And parallelizing a job across a number of local machines is just as easy as that.